Napakalinaw sa Bible, God created men and women. Di, si God, mapagmahal niya, mabait niya, kaya ginawa niya ako ganito. Again, pinipilit nila yung gusto nila. Okay? So, if we don't accept God who He is, then we be pride sa puso. Kaya nga siguro ulit, no, yung ano nila, pride.
Kaya pala.
Puno ng pride. Duktungan po natin. A proud man is always looking down on things and people. Pag ikaw mayabang, minapalit mo lagi ang mga tao. Pag binamalit mo yung tao, sa level mo pababa, lagi kang nakatingin ron, wala ka ng pagkakataon tumingin na meron palang mas mataas sa'yo. Dahil busy-busy ka sa pag masyadong binababa ang mga tao. You're looking down on persons, on things. You're too busy in looking on that. Wala ka ng panahon para manamnam na meron palang mas mataas sa'yo. Proud people look down on things and people. They are too busy looking at this level and down, and they forgot that someone far much greater above.
Amen.
Yung mga mayayabang talaga, hindi na-acknowledge na meron pang mas mataas sa kanya. Okay? A good picture, ito. Nakita ko pa yan. No? Pwede ka naman mag-look down on someone, pero tulungan mo. Hindi masama mag-look down. Never look down on someone unless you're helping them up. In proper colors, kung sino talaga, kung sino ang tunay na kulay ko, I have little reason to fall down and worship myself.
Wow.
Nakita mo, tingnan niyo po. Isipin niyo, ano ba ang tunay na kulay natin? Kaya tama yung kanta eh. Ito yung kanta oh.
True colors.
Diba? True colors, no? True colors.
True colors.
If I see my true colors, if we see and I see my true position, tama sabi ni George, I have little reason to fall down. Si God, for I am the least of the apostles. How many apostles meron si God?
12.
12, not 12 or 13 or maybe marami pa. Pero sinasabi niya rito is, siya yung pinaka-least. Pinakamababa o pinakahuli. Sabi niya, pwede siya magyabang. Bakit? Kasi almost the whole testament siya may gawa eh. Siya may sulat. Pero hindi niya pinagyabang yun. Sabi niya, for I am the least of the apostle, unworthy to be called an apostle. Yung iba, kating-kating, ay, apostle ako. Tabi-tabi ka dyan, disciple ka lang, ako, apostle na. Pero hindi niya sinabi, not worthy to call an apostle. Because I have persecuted the church of God. Important. But the grace of God, I am what I am. Take note of that word. No? And His grace towards me was not in vain. In the contrary, I work harder than any of them. Sinabi, pinagyabang yan, no? Alam mo, nagministeryo ko harder compared to any one of them. Pero, meron po siyang segunda. Anong sabi niya? Though it was not I. Kahit marami siyang ginawa, hindi ako yun. But the grace of God, that is
With me. Amen.
napakalaki ng pagkakaiba, no? Ikaw at ako, kapatid, I am what I am today.
Yeah.
Not because of you, not because of me, what we have done,
But because
but
of God's
God
amazing
appeared
grace.
to you and appeared to me. Yan sabi ni Paul, no?
With grace.
Sabi ni Paul, he is unworthy. But si God nagpakilala sa kanya. Nagpakilala. Ikaw at ako, ganun rin po tayo. Unworthy tayo, pero ginrasyahan tayo ni God. Tinawag tayo sa kadiliman. Eh, sa kadiliman nga, di ba? Masaya tayo. Diba? Kung ay nakagawin doon sa ali-ali doon sa Central, madilim doon. Disco. Naalala ko po, unang punta ko ng Hong Kong. Unang punta ko ng Hong Kong is
Sinama ka doon, Pastor.
2020 ata. 2020 or 1999. Pumunta po ako ng Hong Kong. Business trip. Pumunta kami ng isang supplier. Okay? After ng supplier, may mga Pilipino. Marami mga Pilipino eh. No? Pilipino. Ilocano. Ilocano. Saan tayo pupunta? Sama ka. Pumunta kami ng disco house. Disco house. Disco house. Disco house. Disco house. Grabe po talaga. Again, what you have right now, what I have now, right now, what is your standing and what my standing right now?
It's
What
the
we
grace of
have,
God.
I am what I am today
Because
because
of
of God.
God grace.
Ganun rin po sa iyo
Because of
because
God's
of God. Because
Yes.
of the grace
Because
of
of
God
God, yes.
is with Him and to us today. Kaya napaka-importanting word kanina, acknowledge. In-acknowledge ni Paul. Do, marami akong ginawa, marami akong accomplishment. It's not I. Hindi ako, but the grace of God.
Amen.
Ikaw, nakasurvive ka ng how many years sa Hong Kong? Not I, by the grace of God. Nakapagpadala ako ng pera sa Pilipinas? Not I, but by the grace of God. Nakapagpatapos ako ng aking mga anak